Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Identify your audience and write a one-sentence value promise so every decision aligns. Next, pick a single measurable objective, engagement rate, email signups, or dollar per conversion, and set a target. Finally, choose format and technical specs like aspect ratio and length. Once done, gather minimal tools, a good mic, phone or camera, and a simple editing app. Make sure quality goals guide your first recording or draft. Now move into the complex middle. Execute with intent and structure. Build a tight outline that opens with a compelling hook, covers 3 impactful points, and ends with a clear CTA so viewers know what to do next. Then layer storytelling and a single supporting stat or example per point to boost credibility. Record in 2 passes, one for content, one for performance, and edit focusing on pacing, cutaways, and clean audio. Make sure transitions are smooth, and every scene earns screen time. Finish by polishing and publishing with deliberate checks. Optimize metadata, title, 3 tags, and a short description containing your target keyword, so discovery works for you. A /B test thumbnails and the first 7 seconds. Those choices drive clicks. Schedule publishing, promote in 2 places where your audience already is, and monitor initial engagement metrics. If numbers disappoint, troubleshoot. Tighten the hook, shorten the intro, or fix audio clarity. Make one change at a time and retest to learn what moves the needle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.